What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we've got the trailer right here behind me, and we are not working on it today. We're actually getting it all ready so that Friday we can load the Hellcat up and go to Lebanon Valley, New York to hit the drag strip. It'll be our first time there, as well as the cars, and it'll be my first time running that car down the quarter mile, so it should be pretty fun. We're gonna start with 60-foot hits, work up to 100-foot, and then start working from there. If we can get one that feels good, we might run it out the back, but as you guys know, we do not have a cage in that car, so that might become a problem. That's why we're gonna start with 60-foot, 100-foot, stuff like that, and then once we can get that dialed in, then we will run one out the back. So what I'm gonna do right now is we're just gonna go ahead and wash the trailer up. You know, gotta have everything looking good. So we'll wash that up, probably wash the truck and the car, and then we will jump to Friday of loading everything up and getting ready to go. If you guys are not already, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. That way you get notified anytime we put out a video with the GTO, the Duramax, or the Hellcat. Let's jump right into today's video. Guys, so we went ahead and got the truck and trailer all washed up. You can see the trailer over there. We got the lettering on it the other day. We got the truck washed up. We've still got to go ahead and hit it with some type of ceramic wax, because it is ceramic coated, so we always use the Meguiar's quick wax detailer. It seems to do a pretty good job of keeping it clean and getting the water to bead off it. It's got some water spots. We've got some pretty hard water here, but other than that, it looks a lot better than it did. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a full service on the truck to get it ready for the drive. It's only a little bit over 2 hours, but this thing's been needing an oil change, a fuel filter, and a transmission filter. So we're gonna go ahead and get that tackled today. I have done a full video dedicated to changing the filters on this truck, but just in case you guys didn't see that video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what filters I usually use on this thing. So I use the PPE bigger filter right here. It's a lot bigger than the factory one. Same with their transmission filter. It's a PPE transmission filter for the Allison. And then I use the GM fuel filter. We also use AMSOIL in this truck. This is what I run right here, the Signature Series. It's been really good for us, so that's what we're gonna stick with. And then we've got a couple of filter wrenches right here I picked up just to have for this truck. You can see the sizes right there. Those seem to work out pretty good for us, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and run. So let's get this thing drained and start swapping all the filters. All right, guys, we got the fuel filter, the oil filter, and the transmission filter changed. Everything's full. Let's go ahead and start it up. As you see, we got it running, everything was going good. So we're gonna go ahead and back this thing out of the way, and now it is finally time to fire up the Hellcat. We got the truck ready, the trailer is ready, so now it's time to get the car ready. We're gonna back that thing out, let it run a minute, just check everything over on it quick, throw the drag wheels on it, probably give it a bath, and then I think we'll be ready to load up. So let's go ahead and get that thing out, get this thing out of the way, and get that car cleaned up. All right, guys, so now that we are done getting the truck ready, it's time to start prepping the car to go for this weekend. I went ahead and took a ride over to AutoZone and we picked up a new battery. We went with the H8 DLG. I think this car calls for a 7, but we decided if we can get a little bit more power out of it, we're going to. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that in it, and then we should be ready to fire this thing up, back it out, and start cleaning it up. right, guys, as you see, we backed it out. Just gonna let it run here a second. Gotta wash it, it's dirty. Got the chiller on, making sure it's doing its thing. Gonna let this thing warm up here a minute, and then once it's up to temp, we'll shut her down, let her cool in a few minutes, and then we'll start washing it so we can get the tires switched on. All right, guys, so we went ahead and got the car washed up. Now we're about ready to start switching the wheels over, but we're just gonna go ahead and throw the welds on it. We do have the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's on it right now. We were trying to run the ET Street R's like we do on everything else, but they've been on back order for a while, especially in that size. So we got a set of the ET Street SS's, and we're gonna have to give them a shot and just see how they do. So let's go ahead and get this thing jacked up and get the wheel switched over. So we got both vehicles cleaned up and ready to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the Hellcat away to keep it nice and clean. We talked to Ripatoon. We've got some channels to log at the track. So we're gonna throw this thing in the carport, keep it clean, and then get it loaded up tomorrow and get everything ready to head to the track. Can't wait. Let's go see what this thing can do.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.